Today we are going to create a course in the Garmin Expore app and send it to your inReach Mini 2 navigation device. With the course on the Mini 2, it will provide navigation and tracking. If you haven't already, you will need to download the Garmin Expore app from the Apple App Store and have your inReach Mini 2 device paired. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone. Start by opening the Garmin Expore app, then select the Map Layers icon in the upper left. If you haven't downloaded maps, please see our Downloading Maps to the Garmin Expore app video. Select the Maps download icon, then tap Show More Map Types. We are going to use the satellite with TopoActive Map. This provides a satellite image and allows for creating a course that can follow local streets, paths, and marked trails. On the map screen, select the plus icon followed by Create Course. With TopoActive selected, the Snap to Path magnet icon will be displayed and allows for following the local streets, paths, and trails. There is also a helpful tutorial within the app. Tap the screen to select your starting point. Tapping at any point where the road, path, or trail is will create your course. When you are done, select Save at the top. Now you can add this course to a collection and name it, but we are just going to select Go. This will send it directly to our inReach Mini 2. For more information on naming a course, please see our Explore app library and collections video. We are also wanting to send track points to our MapShare to allow our friends and family to follow along. To do so, tap Enable Tracking. Depending on which subscription plan you have, there may be a cost for each track point. Once Enable Tracking has been selected, the course will be sent to the inReach Mini 2. The tracking icon will also be shown on the device. Now it's just a matter of pressing the down button and selecting Navigation. Once navigation is selected, the course will be shown. Pressing down will provide a directional arrow and the remaining distance. By pressing down again, the direction with the digital compass will display. The last screen will show your current location. Pressing the menu button will provide several options such as stop navigation, pan and zoom map, and more. As you are navigating the course, you can select whichever display is best for you. We are using the directional arrow and the remaining distance. Once you have arrived at your destination, you can use the trackback feature to return to the start. On your inReach Mini 2 device, select the menu button, followed by Navigate. Finally, select Trackback. And that's it. You now have a quick way to load a course and navigate with your inReach Mini 2. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.